If this is the only screen you get on your BNG startup screen, then you have a problem that might ruin your whole holiday, like it did mine nearly. I was going on the 10th of July and all it would do is display that screen. I've got the solution. It took me half a day and I was lucky enough to have an ex-NASA engineer on board who hacked the system. But let me just quickly talk you through it. It's not one of those videos where you're going to have an hour talking before you get the solution. I'm just going to go straight to it, so pay attention. Step 1 is, it doesn't matter how often you start up your BNG Zeus 3, it will not work. The next step is, go to Google, you need to be online for this, and make sure you've got a micro USB. It slots in there. A micro SD card. Any size is pretty good, even a small one for a couple of quid will do. If you've got that, a little card, you're in business. Go to Google, type in BNG Zeus 3 software update. Then go to their website and go to the version 18.3 release patch. It's the 157 version you want. Now, that's a release they've done sort of end of May 2019. And again, it replaces a patch 155 that I had on there from the 31st of May that creates this instability. And that creates the problem of the startup screen just not disappearing and your system just not working, but getting in a loop with the startup screen. You go down that page and you click on download. You do not have to do anything like unzipping. All you do is copy that UPD file onto a micro SD card. Then take that card out, shut your whole system down, take all the cards out, including the chart SD card. So you take the SD card out and don't use this one but use a new one. Stick the new one in your adapter, transfer the UPD file onto the card, then take that new SD card with the update file, put it in the top slot of your chart plotter, then turn on the power and it will start false updating, and you'll be pleased to see that your system goes back to life again. It takes about 5 minutes to do the update, but once it's done, restart your system, take out that SD card because it might corrupt things. And what it does is it boots straight from that SD card onto the latest release patch. And I hope this video saves your holiday, makes all your autopilots and echo sounders work so you can reach your destination. And this video is aimed to save you 6 hours of hassle and hanging on the phone endlessly with BNG customer support, who are not very quick in calling you back, although they did call back within 8 hours, but by that time we'd finally solved it already ourselves. Hope this video helps. Have a good holiday.